Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming device info and saving anything irreplaceable. Open Settings, tap Storage, and note how much Other is used. This category packs caches, logs, and miscellaneous files. Once done, back up photos and documents to cloud or a computer. Make sure to include app-specific folders. If you plan to use developer options for deep clearing, enable it now and read permissions. Otherwise, proceed with the built-in tools. This initial step prevents accidental data loss and speeds up the next actions. Now you will reduce the Other category by removing caches and redundant data. Go app by app. Settings, Apps, choose an app, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This frees temporary files without losing account data. Next, run Files by Google or Storage Manager to find large downloads, duplicate media, and stale installers. Delete what you don't need. Then uninstall apps you no longer use, but check if they store data in Other first, because removing app data is sometimes required to reclaim space. Finish by tackling residual and system-level files. If available, clear the system cache from recovery. Otherwise, use Settings Storage free up space or perform a deep storage reset to remove orphan files. Move large media to an SD card or PC and clear messaging app caches individually. WhatsApp and Telegram often keep backups. Once you're done, reboot the device and recheck storage. If Other still appears inflated, try the storage scan again. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.